My name is Ann Cesar Vasquez. Hello. Uh, and today I'm going to talk about some cultural difference between Colombia and Mexico. Uh, Focus on sus perceptions, fears, travels, hassles, and the strengths that each culture values. I'm prepared a small infographic to guide the explanation. Let's start by superstitions and fears. In Colombia, it is believed that weeping songs, feed bright bats, look in marriage, and people think that the mal can affect babies. Many families and space from bad to bad. In Mexico, it is said that at night falls and man will visit your home. At its spoon falls, it might it woman. This they also strong bel spiritual tradition like Dia de los Muertos. Talk about travels halls in Colombia, the lights in airports and bus terminal eh, very common. People do get frustrated, but way to try to calm and why. In Mexico, traffic is even worse, especially in Mexico City. It's believed that traveling during hours almost impossible. Mexican complaints more complain with they also my hot at boy. Regard strengths and talents, Colombian and work creative, resilient, and strong social skills. Mexican of the that value discipline, respect, and culture and pride. For my personal reflection, I battled about fear when I saw and so to bring on the dark because and my family it is valued at spirit become more activity and night. Learning about Mexico helped my understand my own reaction and went for this project. It worked hard to release it on my culture's emotions and crucial compare cultures understand better.